They also have a relatively long tongue, about a foot and a half long, and they use that tongue to reach up for vegetation in the trees. And strangely enough, they also have almost the same number of neck bones as humans do. In fact, it is only 7 bones that make up their neck. And on the left of us is the giraffe encounter, where you get to be not only eye to eye with our giraffe, but you can also feed them too. On the right is the elephant family quarters. We have 6 elephants here in the zoo, 1 male bull elephant and 5 female elephants, with one of the females being the matriarch of the herd, being the oldest, and one of them is a baby also, about 5 years old.
There's the baby.
They are the largest land mammal in the world, rising up at 13 feet high, and they have a 7-foot long trunk, and they use that trunk to suck up water and blow into their mouth, and they use that trunk to also reach up for leaves in the trees. And they are an extremely intelligent animal, and it holds true to this day that an elephant never forgets. And they're a very family-oriented creature too. And naturally, they cannot live alone out in the wild. And we're going to be making a brief safety stop, so please stay seated, and we should be continuing on shortly.
Look at the ostrich. Look how close it is.
And it looks like we got the okay. On the left of us is the primary giraffe exhibit. Along with the giraffe, we have a small herd of impala gazelles, a couple of white storks, and even a few ostriches. The ostriches themselves are the largest flightless bird in the world, and they run at top speeds of 40 miles an hour. And they kind of run in a crisscross manner to avoid larger predators such as cheetahs and leopards. And it looks like the elephants are on display in the north side of the exhibit, kind of on the right of us. And coming up ahead is the African Lodge and Tusker Grill. The Tusker Grill offers both African cuisine and American cuisine, and it even has a jumbo-sized pretzel. And the African Lodge offers a nice shaded area for you to relax away from the sun, and a place to take a break from walking. And it looks like on the left we do have our African white rhino outside right now. The African white rhinos actually get their name not for their color, but the shape of their lips. The word white actually comes from a Dutch word meaning like wide lips. So it would be white-lipped rhino and not white rhino. But the name stuck, so it's just called African white rhinos. And it looks kind of on the left is the Kennebec train station. It is one of the train stations at the zoo, with the other one being the Omaha Depot. Next to Red Barn Park. The train that is operating today is the 104. And coming up past the train station is the Big Go Crawl. It is the other petting zoo in the zoo. And with the other one being the one at Red Barn Park. And we're going to be coming up to our next stop, so please stay seated until the train makes its full and complete stop.
It's nice just riding around the zoo.
Isn't it?